Hey, if you are wondering how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE, so let me quickly explain. I'm actually using this adapter from Motorola. It is actually 125 watts, which is actually super powerful. And the maximum charging speed of this device, it's 10 watts. But you don't have to actually care about the higher wattage charger because you won't harm the earbuds or case, because the charging case regulates the power intake automatically. So even if it supports only 10 watts, you can even use such a powerful power adapter like this one from Motorola. And the cable, for sure it will be good if you use good quality of the cable made brands like Samsung, Apple, Motorola, Xiaomi, Redmi. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can even connect this device, the charging case of this device, into your PC, game console, TV. Basically, you will have to input both earbuds inside, close the charging case, and then plug it in. This device doesn't actually support wireless charging, so we can only find wired method. And that's all, that's everything. Thanks for watching.